Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Penalties Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about the filing deadline for T4s, T5s, and T4As. This is my annual reminder that you need to file these information slips by the end of February. The end of February this year falls on the 28th. That's not very long from now. The T4 slip is the slip that accumulates all of the money that you paid to an employee during the year. The T5 slip is the one that shows the dividends that were paid to shareholders during the year. The T4A is the form that shows payments made for self-employed commissions, fees for services, a catch-all of payments that are made to people who are not shareholders and employees, generally speaking. So all of these slips are due by the end of February. Of course, if you do not file them by the end of February, there's a penalty. The penalty ranges from $100, which is the smallest penalty it can be for businesses that are filing very few T4s or T5s, less than 5. And it can be a penalty of $2,500, which is the maximum amount if you are an employer that files many T4s or T5s. Either way, there's a penalty to being paid if you don't file it by the end of February. And there's also, I think, another cost. If you don't file the T4s by the end of February, then you don't get them to your employees when they're supposed to be given to the employees. And, in this labor market, I don't think it's a great idea to be irritating the good employees that you do have in any way. And it's also kind of a bad idea to show your employees that you're not complying with the rules when I expect that you would like your employees to comply with your rules. So you'd be setting a bad example if you don't file those returns by the end of February. So, end of February, T4s, T5s, T4As, get them filed on time.